Welcome back to your favorite channel, Cockatiel in Wonderland. I miss you so much, dear friends. Did you miss me too? I hope so. Let's start today's video. In today's video, we'll talk about foods that are harmful to the health of cockatiels. Although cockatiels may enjoy tasting a variety of foods, there are some foods that you should avoid feeding to these little birds. Let's take a look at these foods and find out the reasons why they should be avoided. In your opinion, what are the foods that a cockatiel bird should not eat? Let's get acquainted with these foods. Avocado. Avocados contain a substance called persin that can be toxic to cockatiels and cause serious health problems. Chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine, which is difficult for cockatiels to digest, and can cause serious health problems such as increased heartbeat and intoxication. Dairy products. Cockatiels do not have the ability to digest lactose contained in dairy products, therefore you should avoid feeding them cow's milk, butter, and cheese. Salty foods. Giving cockatiels salty foods such as salted or canned foods should be avoided, as they can cause sodium levels to increase and lead to health problems such as high blood pressure. Refined sugars. Feeding cockatiels high sugar foods such as sweets and sweetened drinks should be avoided, as excess sugar consumption can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Roasted seeds. Although seeds can be part of a healthy diet for cockatiels, feeding roasted or salted seeds should be avoided, as the coating of roasted seeds contains harmful substances. Garlic and onion. Garlic and onions contain sulfur and allyl compounds, which may be toxic to cockatiels and affect their digestive system. Yeast and pastes. Yeast and doughs contain ingredients that may cause the cockatiel's stomach to swell and cause cramps and pain. Phenol-preserved foods. Phenol-preserved foods such as olives and chili peppers can be irritating to cockatiels and cause digestive problems. Mushrooms. Mushrooms can contain toxic substances that affect the nervous system of cockatiels and cause poisoning. Thus, we must avoid giving cockatiels these foods that are harmful to their health. We must always remember to provide a balanced and proper diet for these wonderful birds. If you are unsure of the suitability of any food for cockatiels, it is preferable to consult an avian veterinarian for advice specific to the bird's condition. I will leave you in the video description a link to the best foods that this beautiful bird loves. Hope you have benefited from the topic of today's video. Thank you all for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the information and are now aware of which foods to avoid feeding to cockatiels. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I wish you and your pilot a pleasant and successful training experience. See you in the next video. We meet in an upcoming episode on your favorite channel, Cockatiels in Wonderland.